Finally got my 240 charger installed here at the house, right in the front next to the garage. I paid the electrician to install this, of course. It was about 1,400 bucks, and they had to run this directly from my electric panel, which is way in the backyard, all the way here to the front yard. So yeah, 1,400 bucks. This is the charger that came with the vehicle. And a quick note, I noticed that this one didn't come with the dust cover like I've seen other EVs have. But anyway, I'll show you how it looks once you charge it, plug it in. Of course, this is a battery indicator, and I still haven't figured out what pushing this button here does yet, but I'll figure it out eventually. But yeah, anyway, obviously the cable reaches, and definitely helps improve with the charge time. So 1,400 bucks is a little more than I expected it to be, but hey, and that's here in Los Angeles, so I'm sure prices do vary. Anyway, I noticed there is no physical charge indicator inside the vehicle while the car is off, so you have to either turn the car on while you're in it, and of course you can see the charging status on the Ford Pass app on your phone. But yeah, anyway, not too bad in the front yard. So yeah, I like it.